Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, your one-step destinations for everything related to law. So today I'm doing something exciting, an unboxing video for the barexams for AIBE 90. So these are essential if you are preparing for the All India Bar examination, and I've got my hands on this set from Lawman's publication. So let's dive in and see what's inside. So let's get started. As you can see, the packaging is nice and secure, ensuring that the books arrive in good condition. So let's unbox. So these barracks are without short notes as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India. Just what I need for my AIBE 19 exam. So for those of you who are unfamiliar, the All India Bar examination tests your basic knowledge of law, and using barracks without short notes ensures you are sticking strictly to the AIBE syllabus guidelines. So let's take a closer look at what's included. So the first thing that you notice is the quality of the print. So it is clear, crisp and easy to read. So I can just take an example. This is the Indian Penal Code 1860 Bare Act. So as you can see from this, that the print is very clear and there are no short notes. So it is very clear, crisp and easy to read. This is super important when you are flipping through for quick references during revision or exam prep. One of the things that I love about this edition from Lawman is that it is compact but detailed. So you can get the Indian Penal Code, CPC, Evidence Act and other major statutes, the new criminal laws, everything which is key for the AIBE. So the paper quality is also very excellent. It is not very thin and you can also highlight important section without worrying about the ink bleeding through the papers. And because it's without short notes, it follows the exact guidelines issued by the BCI for AIBE 19. So this is very crucial because any unnecessary updates could confuse you during your prep. Okay, now if you are preparing for AIBE 19, here's a tip. Use these barracks alongside the AIBE previous year question paper. Since this edition sticks to the syllabus without notes, it's perfect for helping you to focus on what's most likely to come up in the exam. And I also recommend marking out sections you're not familiar with and creating a quick reference guide using sticky notes or page flags. Sticky notes, like you can use these sticky notes, or even you can use the smaller one which I have here. So you can use these ones and you can use this ones also. So it's up to you which one you want to use. So this will help you save time during the last few weeks of revision. And overall, I'll just say that I'm really impressed with the quality and comprehensiveness of this set from Lawman. So if you're looking for barracks that stick to the AIBE 19 syllabus, this is a great option. It is for 1650 rupees. I will attach the link from where I bought it. I bought it from Amazon, but this is Lawman's publication. So it is durable, it is perfectly suited for anyone serious about passing the bar exam on their first attempt. It is not very difficult to pass, but you should be very thorough with your legal concept. So you can also grab your copy from the link in the description below. So don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more legal content, study tips and exam strategy. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Good luck with your AIBE 19 preparation, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.